Syllabi has a very powerful online video editor you can use right in your browser. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can edit a video from scratch, which you can also schedule and publish directly to all of your social media pages. From the Syllabi dashboard here, on the left-hand side, you're going to see Video Editor. All you need to do is click on that, and it's going to pop in this editor that is a blank slate. And there's actually a lot that you can do here. So you can just drag something in if you'd like directly right in there. It's going to take a moment and it will load that video directly into the timeline like so. What you can also do is you can access our huge library of stock images or stock video, and you can build something from scratch. So we have some categories here for you, but you can also type in anything. Maybe we could pick real estate. And then we'll see a whole bunch of real estate oriented videos. You can click on any of those and it'll automatically add it to the timeline here. You can drag this around however you want, like so. We also have a stock audio library in here. You can add any of these in here. You can sample how that sounds beforehand, like so. And there's different controls. So if you go to, say, this area, there are duplicate options. This will duplicate this entire file. You can split it in half if you want, so that you can add a gap in here and maybe do something like this if you want. You can flip this horizontally if you wanted to do that for whatever reason, flip it vertically, fit to canvas. You can also drag and drop this around and resize this however you want right in there. And then we can easily just fit to canvas and that will add it. You can delete any options here. You can also change the aspect ratio of it if you want to do like a TikTok oriented video. And then we can drag this around like so if we want to fit it to frame. It's obviously not going to look great. It's a horizontal video, but you can do square or 4:3. We also have this option over here where you can add any sort of text elements or different fonts and subtitles and animations, all sorts of different things. We have some shapes that you can use here. Over here, depending on what element that you have uploaded, you can go into video properties and you can actually speed it up. You can control the volume, you can control the blur effects, all sorts of different properties that you can choose from. Under the text effects, you can change that. You can change the font family here, lots of different font options, as well as the color, the stroke, the width, anything that you'd like. There's a whole lot of options here. We want you to be able to create videos however you want within Syllabi, whether it's creating faceless videos, avatar videos, or building a video from scratch. Syllabi is the perfect video marketing workflow to help you grow on social media. When you're finished with your video and it's perfect for you, all you need to do is click on Export Video and just click Proceed, and it will begin to export that video for you. It will automatically load that video into the My Videos area, and then you can directly schedule, publish, or download right from there. I hope this helps you.